Hey friends, my name is Ibi, software and automation testing student with LSET. Thanks for joining me again today. Today, I've got an exciting presentation to share with you, the art and science of test planning. Here, we're going to explore the key components, benefits of test planning, and the potential pitfalls of not having a test plan. Starting with the basic definitions, a test plan is a document that outlines approach, objectives, resources, and schedules for a software test project. It identifies what features will be tested, testing tasks, and responsibilities. It is essentially the roadmap for how we ensure software functions correctly and reliably. Now, to understand why a test plan is needed, it is best explained as to what happens when there is no test plan. When there is no test plan, things can go a bit chaotic. Testing becomes disorganized and unstructured, and the test team may lose sight. There is no way to measure test progress. Duplicate testing could happen, or critical scenarios may be overlooked. The risk of project delays and quality issues might also creep in. This highlights why a well-defined test plan is so important. A good test plan ensures that the project is organized with systematic testing. It guarantees thorough test coverage, defines roles and responsibilities, determines time, cost, and resource needs, and provides a clear testing roadmap. And it also enables early identification of defects. So how do we ensure effective test planning? This can be broken down with the what, why, where, when, who, and how questions of software test planning. The question of what will be tested specifies what features and functions will be tested for comprehensive coverage. It also defines the test approach, including techniques, methods, and types of testing. It also ensures comprehensive coverage by defining specific test items and test scenarios. Why is it important to test explains why testing is critical to ensure software quality. It emphasizes the importance of testing, highlights the risk of poor testing, validating correct functionality, and finding defects early in order to meet user expectations. The question of where will the testing take place answers where testing will occur across different environments and platforms, including hardware and software configurations. When will the testing occur maps out whether testing schedules will be aligned with project milestones and deadlines. Let's continue with who and how. A test plan identifies individuals responsible for planning and executing the testing process. This includes developers, quality assurance team, contractors, and independent beta testers. Finally, it outlines how testing will be performed, including testing methods, techniques. It also includes the test strategy, manual testing procedures, and automated testing tools. A test plan consists of several core elements. These include test items, test scenarios, test cases, and test steps. Test items are conditions, inputs, and expected outcomes used to verify specific software features or functions. A test scenario is a detailed description of a test item. It includes sequences of actions and inputs that encompass multiple test cases. Test cases are even more detailed descriptions of software test scenarios designed to validate specific functionalities in a software app. Finally, test steps provide detailed instructions to execute each test case. These are very, very detailed instructions testers follow, and they provide a step-by-step guide on how to perform the test, including interactions with the software, inputs to be entered, expected results, and validation checks. I know this sounds very theoretical, so here's a glimpse of a comprehensive test plan represented in an Excel sheet with over 400 rows. It shows the meticulous planning of test items, test scenarios, test cases, and very detailed steps involved in the process of a travel booking website like Skyscanner or Momodo, as well as the documentation of expected results, actual results, and the pass or fail certification of each element. Here's a little flowchart of a test plan in action based on testing the Amazon Prime Video website. In the login and password validation section, test case and test script are focused on ensuring empty logins don't open the page. 3-letter logins are correctly rejected, and typing 123 as password doesn't unlock the website. In the movie search box test case, it checks if an empty search or random letters in the search box yield no results, and making sure that the term Titanic delivers an archive of 7 movies and 3 documentaries. In the category drop-down menu, the goal is to validate its existence and verify its location and functionality, as well as the functionality of the genres, comedy, action, sports, horror movies, action movies, etc. However, when running the test case on the romance movie genre, the actual results were quite different to the expected results. Instead of romantic movies, we got action movies, meaning that the test case failed spectacularly. The reasons are probably due to data inaccuracy, but this also shows having accurate and reliable test data is very important. So, in summary, a detailed and well-executed test plan is important for successful software testing because it provides measurable test results and an early insight into the software quality. Once again, thank you all so much for spending time with me today. See you next time.